I recently came across a product called Puri Breeze Produce Cleaner, and it's being marketed as a high-tech device that can supposedly remove pesticides, bacteria, and toxins from fruits and vegetables in just 5 minutes using something called OH ion electrolysis technology. So the ad make it look like you can simply drop this gadget into water and instantly purify your food. But here's the truth. Puri Breeze appears to be another overhyped gadget with exaggerated claims and very little or real evidence behind it. So before I continue, a quick disclaimer, this video is only for educational and awareness purpose. So the terms like OH ions, microbubbles, and deep purification technology sound impressive, but there is no credible scientific proof showing that a small portable device like this can effectively eliminate pesticides or bacteria in just few minutes. That's simply not how food safety works. On the misleading trick is the cloudy water demonstration. So if you go through this page, you see the ads use dirty looking water afterward to convince people that toxins are being removed, but in reality, soaking produce used in water alone can loosen dirt and residue. Cloudy water does not provide prove pesticides or harmful chemicals were eliminated. So, and when you look deeper, so if you go through the page and if you look deeper, so you can see that and when you look deeper, the product itself raises even more concerns. Puri Beers is not some exclusive breakthrough invention. This is exact same device that is widely sold on Chinese wholesale sites like Alibaba. So if you go to Alibaba, you can find the same style product for different other names. So and also it is simply rebranded and given a fancy name and resold online for $70 or more with aggressive marketing attached to it, whereas if you go through this market you can simply find it for like $15 to $20. So if you go through the promotions are also packed with red flags like fake reviews, AI generated images, also pressure tactics such as limited time discounts designed to rush people into buying. And think about it, if a device like this could truly remove pesticides and bacteria effectively in minutes, it would already be heavily tested, certified, and widely used in professional food safety industries, not mainly pushed through social media ads and random websites. So let's be clear. Puri Breeze is not a miracle invention, not a miracle food purification solution. At best, it performs no better than just a basic rinsing or soaking device. If you see this product or tried it yourself, so share your experience in the comment so others stay informed. So like the video, subscribe to us and stay sharp because many high-tech kitchen gadgets online are simply overhyped scams.